All right, so our dishwasher was running for a while and we started hearing a crazy beeping sound coming out of it, and it displayed a message here on the display that said F70 fault, drain pump fault, and we could hear a pump pumping constantly. So I'm going to tell you how to fix this problem. And first thing you have to do is go down to the basement, find the switch that says dishwasher, and turn the circuit breaker off for the dishwasher. Next thing, get under your dishwasher, take off the kick panel, and it looks like this. Put a light on it. And you have to take off these two screws. And you need a T20 Torx screw. So they go right here. Already taken this off, so it's the last one. Okay, and take your panel off. You might need a screwdriver to do that. And here's what the problem is. The problem is water has gotten under here. And the reason it's gotten under there is most likely because your filter's clogged. We had a big turkey dinner and our filter was all covered with grease. So the filter gets covered with grease and clogged up, and water gets underneath into this pan. And what happens is there's a float here. So if you look at this float, this white float, this thing goes up to a micro switch, and it's pushing up on the micro switch right here, which is causing that pump to run constantly. So to solve this problem, you either get a bunch of rags and pull all the water out, or another solution is, we had these syringes sitting around from when our kids were little, and it says for oral use only, but you just put it in here, suck out the greasy, disgusting water, put it over here into a bowl, and that's it. And keep repeating, and eventually the disc goes down and goes under, and the micro switch goes off, and basically that will solve the problem. And if you keep your filter clean, this won't happen again. And that's it. That's how you fix the F70 fault. Good luck.